Hello, Sudoku friends! Welcome back. Welcome back with the fifth puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Monday, August the 5th, 2020. Yes, this fifth puzzle, a binary puzzle, will be number 1278. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? This one is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a column or in a row, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. So let's get started. Double one, here and O, there and O. Double one, here and O, there and O. Double one, here and O, there and O. Between two O's comes in one. Double one, here and O, there and O. Double O, here and one, there and one. Double O, here and one, there and one. We have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. 4 ones I have in this column, so the rest are O's. Between two, we have here 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Then 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. We have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Then and now I think I need to compare. Yeah, I need to compare.